Ever noticed you're only irresistible when you stop trying? Yeah. Seduction doesn't start with confidence. It starts with silence. Because the real art of seduction? It's not about being hotter. It's about being unreadable, unpredictable, untouchable, but still felt. There's a version of you people can't forget. Not the version that begs to be chosen. The version that walks into a room like they already know who they are. No performance, no chasing, just presence. The kind of presence that makes someone check their heartbeat. That version of you is dangerous because it doesn't need validation to breathe. It's the version of you they replay in their head when they're alone. Seduction isn't about attraction. It's about gravity. People don't fall for you. They get pulled. Attraction is a spark. Gravity is a spell. Why them, you ask? Why do certain people make your heart skip in 1 second? Because they do something your brain can't ignore. They make you feel, not seen, not heard, felt. And feeling is stronger than logic, every single time. And here's the part you won't like. Most people flirt with their mouth, but the masters flirt with their absence, their silence, their eye contact, their I'm not in a hurry to impress you, their you'll come closer on your own. Seduction is 80% energy, 20% words. And most of you are out here throwing paragraphs, when one slow look would have done the damage. Eye contact is powerful. Unless you stare too long, then you look possessed. Relax, blink, breathe. Seduction isn't a horror movie. Control your intensity. Don't weaponize it. The moment your eyes hold theirs 1 second longer than normal, their brain glitches, their heartbeat stutters, their guard cracks, their mind starts creating stories you didn't even say. That's seduction, not the words. The timing, the pause, the moment where time stands still. But here's the shadow truth nobody admits. You can't seduce anyone when you're trying to get picked. Neediness kills mystery. Mystery builds desire. And desire? That's the currency of power. When you forget your value, seduction dies first. You become the villain when you chase. You become the hero when you choose. Seduction flows from the hero. Chasing is a confession of insecurity. Presence is a confession of worth. Also, stop texting like you're applying for a job. If your presence doesn't seduce them, your good morning won't save you. Energy's emojis. Your future self will look back and wish you knew your worth earlier. Wish you knew that seduction starts with self-respect. Not tricks, not tactics, not desperation disguised as attention. Maybe the reason someone isn't obsessed with you is because you aren't obsessed with you yet. People mirror your energy, even the broken parts. People crave the person who is comfortable in their own skin. So master your presence, your pause, your pace, your standards, and watch the world adjust around you. Let me tell you a truth most men never hear. A woman should love you, but she should never fully read you. Because the moment she knows everything, the mystery dies. And when the mystery dies, so does her curiosity. So a man must hide 5 things. 1, his deepest wound. Not everyone who says I'm here for you knows how to hold your broken pieces. 2, his real fears. A man's silence is not weakness, it's self-protection. 3, his full plans. Move quietly. Let results speak louder than your mouth ever will. 4, his temptations. Don't confess battles you've already won. Loyalty is proven in action, not in storytelling. 5, his past pain. Some memories destroy peace. Heal privately, love publicly. And here's the final truth bomb. A man who reveals everything loses respect. A man who reveals nothing loses connection. But a man who reveals only what matters can never be replaced.